Creating a LeadPages page for a nonprofit can seem like a challenge, especially if you're new to the software. But in this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to create a page that not only looks professional, but also serves your nonprofit's needs effectively. Stick around till the end, because I'm going to reveal a competitor that might be a better fit for your goals, along with an exclusive free trial you won't find anywhere else. First, let's talk about LeadPages. It's one of the most popular landing page builders out there, and for good reason. It's easy to use, offers a variety of templates, and has plenty of customization options. But is it the best choice for a nonprofit? That's something we'll dive into. Next thing, let's get started with building the page. First, log into LeadPages and click on Create New Page. You'll be presented with a selection of templates, which is great because you don't have to start from scratch. Since you're building for a nonprofit, you'll want to choose a template that aligns with your cause. Look for something clean, professional, and easy to navigate. Once you pick your template, it's time to customize it. Now, the third thing is about adding the right elements to your page. For a nonprofit, you'll want to include a strong call to action, something that clearly directs visitors to donate, volunteer, or get involved. LeadPages makes this super easy with its drag and drop feature, which lets you add buttons, text, images, and forms. Just make sure your message is clear and your form is simple to fill out. Remember, the goal is to make it easy for people to take action. The fourth thing to consider is mobile responsiveness. More and more people are browsing and donating from their phones, so it's essential that your page looks great on mobile devices. LeadPages automatically adjusts the layout for mobile, but it's always a good idea to double-check that everything looks good. You can preview your page on both desktop and mobile before publishing. Next, let's talk about the integration options. LeadPages offers integrations with email marketing platforms like MailChimp, which is useful for follow-up campaigns or CRM systems to track your leads. You can also integrate payment processors if you're accepting donations. These integrations can make a huge difference in how efficiently you can manage your nonprofit's campaigns. Now, here's the kicker. While LeadPages is great for creating beautiful pages, it can be a little bit rigid when it comes to full customization. If you're a nonprofit looking for something more flexible or with more features that focus on building a community or managing supporters, there are other options that might suit your needs better. Keep watching, because I'm about to reveal those alternatives. But before that, let me mention one more thing about LeadPages. It's got a good A/B testing feature, which lets you test different versions of your page to see which one converts better. This is a really powerful tool for optimizing your donation page and making sure you're getting the most out of your traffic. So, to wrap up, I'm offering you an exclusive and extended free trial for LeadPages through our link, just for our viewers. But I also want you to know there are some alternatives that might serve your nonprofit's goals even better. These alternatives are better suited for people who need more customization, integration options, or a more community-focused approach. And guess what? They also have free trials available. You'll get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits that are only available to you through our link. Check it out and make the decision that's best for your nonprofit.